Hi, I'm Kelly Anthony with theanthonykitchen.com, and today we are cooking up one of my all-time favorite quick fix recipes. It's homemade hot dog chili, and it's perfect for family movie night, for football season, barbecues, and everything in between. The first ingredient for our homemade hot dog chili is gonna be 80/20 ground beef. So we're just gonna add this to a saute pan over medium-high heat and cook it until it's completely brown, no more pink showing. This is sort of a kitchen sink recipe. There's a little bit of everything going on in here, and it amounts to big flavor when it comes to homemade hot dog chili. So to our ground beef, we're gonna add some ketchup, a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. Tomato paste is just gonna intensify that tomato flavor in there. And then to that, we're going to add a special blend of spices. Almost all the goodies are in the pan. Now we're gonna add some water, and we're gonna let this simmer and reduce by half. All of those flavors are just gonna continue to meld together. So what we're looking for is just a good simmer. If you have to adjust your heat a little lower or higher at this point, that's totally fine. We just need it to reduce down. We are getting there with our consistency. It smells amazing in here. And what I'm gonna do is just add the cornstarch slurry. A cornstarch slurry is just a simple mixture of cornstarch with cold water. You'll add the water to the cornstarch and then just stir to combine. Once that's all mixed up, it goes right in the pan, and then we'll stir it in. This is gonna take just a few more minutes, and then it's time to build our chili dogs. The hot dog chili is ready. It looks and smells amazing, but best of all, it took less than 20 minutes to whip up. The toppings are ready to go. Now we just need to put it all together. Now the order in which you add the toppings is completely up to you, but here's the order that I like to go in. We go chili first, and then we'll top it with some freshly grated cheddar cheese, a little yellow onion that we just diced up, and of course, a little topping of mustard here. And there you have it. The best homemade chili dogs you will ever taste in your entire life. Quick, easy, and perfect for so many occasions.